Everybody needs some company.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tasha Babes, and so back with another cute girly video. So right now it is 9:22. I have to go to brunch for my sister's birthday weekend. She was born November 6th. So her birthday weekend, she's doing brunch today, and tonight we're going to a steakhouse. So you're gonna, I don't know if y'all gonna come with me, but I am prepping my hair. I should have did a video on how I'm prepping my hair, but I don't know how this is gonna come out because I am not the best when it comes to hair. So this is my old and that's my doggy. So this is actually my old wig from my birthday last year that I decided just to, hey, let me flat iron it and everything. So I'm gonna flat iron this hair right quick so I could put my hair on, actually, because I want to like get this hair straightened. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now, y'all. I'm just flat ironing my hair, and I'm actually gonna do a makeup video for y'all, show y'all brunch tonight makeup. So this is the introduction of it, and I'm gonna have my, actually I think I'm gonna do two videos. A video of me putting on my wig, trying to attempt to put on my wig, and then doing my makeup video. So I'm actually gonna cut these ends too. and shoes. And yeah, it's a halter top. Hop off the shoulder. And I'm on my way to brunch.
It's heavy too, yo. Tastes good.
So this is what I'm gonna do is because I went to brunch. So what I'm gonna do is, so my skin looking oily because I slept, I'm just gonna bake it again. So using the Laura Mercier, because you see everything is still intact. And I'm just gonna brush it. Also what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get my MAC and put a little bit of highlighter, kinda. So y'all, I went to Sephora and got some goodies, and I'm so glad I went to Sephora and got what I needed. So I'm about to use a lip liner. Let me see. I use the same. I'm using the same, I'm using the same brown lip liner. And I got the Rihanna Glow, Fenty Glow, which is my favorite. And I'm gonna bring it with me tonight. It's like my favorite lip gloss. Lip gloss. Let me add a little bit of Glam Light to get that little bit of pink in there. And my hair still look like my hair. And y'all, let me get my outfit. Y'all can see, ever seen my seductive video on Instagram on how to dress grown and sexy? This is the dress, and I paired it with some boots. Let me see. Boots. And I paired it with some boots, y'all. And I got a sample of Valentino. So I got the spray, Go Spray. Valentino Donna, well, Born in Roma. This is smells so good. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on. And it will last. So y'all, thank y'all so much for watching. Go ahead, subscribe to your girl. I know this video wasn't too crazy, but Thank y'all so much for watching. Your girl's being consistent. Go ahead, subscribe, like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
And to say, me have Campari Patron.